Well, did you hear him while you were off? I don't remember where you were. He said, I hope he doesn't like it.
Side of the
Be
truck.
nice. The guy might be struggling, but that sled was struggling too. Oh.
Right.
Then you go to your thing and you hit the plus sign on your contacts.
Getting the trailer hooked up because we're on another adventure. LBird found another 1200. So hopefully this one's not all smashed up. This one's got all kinds of goodies, similar fashion to mine. So, yeah, get the trailer here, all hooked up, go in the shop. I think, actually I know Pat's in there. LBird just got in there and we'll hit the road. But who knows what this one's gonna be. You telling him about how you lowballed this poor guy?
Yep. I said, I don't know. Is it going to be good or is it going to be a pile? Should be nice. Should be good. We'll see. I got GPS, so if I get lost, I'll find my way home.
This guy's taking us on a goose chase. What was that? That thing was clapped. Dude, he's not even paying attention. Look at him.
Yeah, we pulled in.
That place. Yo,
Side of the
be
truck.
nice. The guy might be struggling, but
He
that
is
sled was
struggling.
struggling too. Holy
I think his knee locked up. I didn't think he was going to be able to stand.
Oh, that poor guy.
I feel bad for him, but I don't need another project. You have enough work to do.
Yeah, that's right. That thing was rough. I didn't even film any of it.
No.
I'm not going to put the ad in here. That thing was bad.
See,
You're not having good luck. You might as well just retire for the season at this point.
The
might
thing
have
was we needed to buy that thing for $2,500.
I bet. I
And
honestly
then-
bet if I would have pulled out $2,000 cash, he would have taken it. We could have dragged it in the trailer, but we don't have time for
It
that.
almost would have been worth it for $2,000 for the parts. You should message him right now. Message him right now and say, you know what, we'll come back for
Just buy
$2,000.
both of them today.
Yikes, dude. So are you calling Fran, your
Yeah,
boy?
I already got the address.
What?
11, plug it in.
Wait. You got the address like in that
He
5
messaged
minutes you were
him.
messaging him?
I was planning ahead. I have 2 of them over here to look at if we need to.
You can believe him?
I believe it.
Look, don't believe me?
Yeah.
I already got it.
Chase.
All right, off we go again to another one.
It'll just go to copy, or will it go to call?
No, you
I don't
can
wanna
go
call
to
him.
you can go to copy and then you go to
Right.
your thing and you hit the plus sign on your contacts. Go to your contacts.
Oh, I'd
You
have
see
to
the
put
little
it
tiny
in.
plus right there?
Yeah, I'd have to put it into my contacts to actually make a call.
No, you hit the plus. And then you just scroll down a little bit to where the phone
Yeah,
number is.
right.
And then you paste it.
So
right
what
in
I
there.
was trying to do is go to my keypad
Yeah.
and then put it in from copy. But I couldn't figure out how to do that.
You can't do it that way.
Okay, that's what I'm trying to. I didn't think I could. That's all I was trying to get at. Yeah.
Oh
think you
my god,
No, you have to
dude.
save
No,
the
because see, when I
contact.
go to keypadding.
There we go. How you feeling
Oh,
now?
that one's much better. I like that one.
You think?
Yeah, I feel good. Pat,
You both you
Pat-
got the thumbs up.
Pat found us a good one.
Well, did you hear him while you were off? I don't remember where you were. He said, I hope he doesn't like it.
You had
You
one
know?
just like it, didn't you?
Yeah, you still got
I
it.
still have it.
I know.
It might not be a clone
It's
for
not
that
just
anymore.
like it now.
Right. Nope,
Yeah.
The
that'll be.
DNA is there.
I'm stealing that little auxiliary light, I'll tell you that.
He's not letting you touch that thing. He's going to put that in his trailer.
Yeah, I know. so crooked, he's gonna get all crossed up. There goes my floor. Whoa! Hey, whoa! Where the f is he? Whoa! Careful! Hang on to it. Oh! Hang on, hang on, hang on. Whoa, look at that. You need some LED bulbs. Yeah. While they're in there messing around, looking at that thing, figuring out what stickers to remove, on the way back, I fired up Marketplace and just scrolling a little bit, right? And I found some Mohawks. Found a nice set of SLP Mohawks. Things are like brand new, 6 seasons old, allegedly. I mean, that one's got a little scratch out of the side of it, but you know, $125. $125 for a pair of them. Pair and extra carbons, all kinds of carbons. How am I not going to buy these for $125? That's a steal. I mean, we get there to buy these. And I'm going through my wallet, and they're both of them, Pat and Dad, throwing money at me. They're saying, here, you need more, you need this, you need that. I said, no, you guys are trying to get your piece of the pie. This is my pie. Mine only. I baked it. It's mine. Great day. Great day. Aside from the first one being woof. But, you know, we found another within 10 miles away. All kinds of deals. Just deals left and right. What are you doing already? What are you doing with vice grips? They got a wrench flat on them. Dude.
What?
You're going to mark them
They
all
don't
up?
have a wrench thing on them.
They should.
I don't think so.
There are probably some cheese codes then.
And they're Loctited.
Oh my God. You can't spin the bolt
That
instead?
one's over there on the floor. No, because the handle, I got it.
Okay. You forgot your zip tie though.
I didn't get there yet. Go look at the other side.
Yeah, sure are. We'll have to see what Eric's got. Get you some one rigs. All right, so fill everybody in here. What do you got?
Finally, a short track, 1200.
Yeah. Okay.
Don't need a long track. Our motion works so good, you don't need all that behind you. 1200, no blowing up. Hopefully, never say never.
What do we got? What do we got? Year, make, mileage. Give me all your general breakdown for everybody.
16, 1200 PEX,
Yep.
8,000 miles.
Is it 8? I thought it was 73 or
That
74.
was the first one we looked at today.
Jesus.
We looked at 2 today. First one, not so good.
No. But, you know, this one got relatively new storm track on it. Pre-studded though, so it's a single ply. I got a bunch of leftover SS28, so we'll probably load these outer ribs for him here with some eye grips. What else? You got the auxiliary light up front, which is pretty sweet. Can't really get those anymore. You got XRS stickers put on. Some goofy vents on the side. Not too bad. We're just starting to hoard these XS chassis though. Jeez. Dude, Pat is not gonna like that you just did that to that. Did you cut that?
No.
What do you mean? It looks cut.
No,
This is cut.
Well,
Why is it all frayed?
it goes into the thing on the bag.
Oh, it's not. I guess it's not. You cut that.
I did not cut it. I'll put it
So
right
what about
back
the
on
thing?
if you want.
No, I don't want the. Don't. You don't want that back on there.
No, that thing that you think I cut goes right through here.
We got to do a brake fluid flush. Allegedly, when the guy did the track, he did the bearings and stuff on the driver on both sides. 10 case one usually doesn't go bad, but good that it was done. The grip is getting pretty worn off and polished over here, so we'll have to get you some new grips and whatnot. And then we got to send the ECU out, get a tune, get a header, get some goodies going.
I'll put my new bag on here.
Right. Yep. Yeah, we got a Matrail Pro bag that's over there on the Assault right now. So that'll go on there. I have, oh, you like this. So I have a pair. Remember when I had to take this in Vermont and I had to go and like hurry up and make little adapters for the link bag? So we got you these because I'm using one set on the skunk build over there, and you can have that set. And those space it up so you can use whatever bag you want.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
Gotta
So
say,
instead of buying the expensive Skidoo ones, I just got these guys for you. So you'll be good to go there.
Gotta say shout out to Fran and Mary, Stacy, New York, for
Yep.
hooking us up with this one.
Sure. There you go.